Welcome to my channel. Everything you need to know. I'm so excited to have you here. On this channel, you can watch full videos to gain valuable knowledge on a variety of topics. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. Let's learn together. Thanks for joining me. Disposal procedures for traceability records in a medical device manufacturing company are crucial to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and to protect sensitive information. Here are key components of an effective disposal procedure. 1. Establish a disposal policy. 1. Create a clear policy outlining the retention period for traceability records, typically 10 years for medical devices. 2. Specify the criteria for determining when records can be disposed of. 3. Determining when traceability records can be disposed of in the medical device industry involves specific criteria that ensure compliance with regulations, maintain data integrity, and protect sensitive information. 3. Here are the key criteria to consider. 1. Establish a disposal policy. 1. Create a clear policy outlining the retention period for traceability records, typically 10 years for medical devices. 2. Specify the criteria for determining when records can be disposed of. 2. Completion of product lifecycle. 1. Records related to specific products can be disposed of once they are no longer in production and after the retention period has elapsed, provided there are no outstanding issues related to those products. 3. No pending investigations or actions. 1. Verify that there are no ongoing investigations, audits, or actions, such as recalls or regulatory inquiries, associated with the records in question. 4. Historical significance. 1. Consider whether the records have historical significance or could provide valuable insights for future product development or quality improvement initiatives. 5. Documented approval. 1. Require documented approval from designated personnel, such as quality assurance or regulatory affairs, before disposal to ensure that all criteria have been met. 6. Data sensitivity assessment. 1. Assess the sensitivity of the records. 1. Records containing sensitive patient information or proprietary data may have different retention and disposal requirements compared to less sensitive documents. 7. Consistency with audit and inspection requirements. 1. Ensure that the disposal process is consistent with the requirements of external audits or inspections to avoid potential non-conformities. 8. Maintenance of an audit trail. 1. Maintain an audit trail for disposed records, documenting the criteria used for disposal and the processes followed, ensuring accountability and transparency. 9. Periodic review. 1. Conduct periodic reviews of retained records to identify any that have reached their disposal criteria, ensuring that outdated or unnecessary records are appropriately managed. 2. By following these criteria, organizations in the medical device industry can make informed decisions about when to dispose of traceability records while ensuring compliance and maintaining data integrity. 2. Documentation of disposal process. 1. Maintain a documented procedure that details how records will be disposed of once they have reached the end of their retention period. 3. Classification of records. 1. Classify records based on sensitivity and confidentiality. 1. Different records may require different disposal methods, e.g., sensitive patient data versus general manufacturing logs. 4. Authorized personnel. 1. Limit access to disposal processes to authorized personnel only, ensuring that those responsible for disposal are trained in handling sensitive information. 5. Physical and digital records. 1. For physical records, shred paper documents to ensure that information cannot be reconstructed. Use secure bins for collecting documents prior to shredding. For digital records. 2. Utilize data wiping software to ensure that electronic records are permanently deleted. 3. Ensure that deleted data cannot be recovered. 6. Audit trail. 1. Maintain an audit trail of all disposed records, including description of the records disposed of, date of disposal, Method of disposal. Personnel involved in the disposal process. 7. Compliance with regulations. 1. Ensure that disposal procedures comply with relevant regulations, such as data protection laws, e.g., HIPAA in the U.S. for patient information, and industry standards. 8. Periodic review and updates. 1. Regularly review and update disposal procedures to adapt to changes in regulations, technology, or company policy. 9. Training and awareness. 1. Conduct training sessions for employees regarding the importance of proper disposal and the procedures in place to protect sensitive information. 10. Incident management. 1. Establish a process for reporting and managing any incidents related to improper disposal or data breaches. By implementing these disposal procedures, medical device manufacturing companies can ensure the responsible and secure management of traceability records while complying with industry standards and protecting sensitive information. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. That encourages engagement nicely.